What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to review this Noni Glow face oil from Kora Organics. I have been using this face oil for a very long time. This is my second packaging. I wanted to buy a bigger packaging, but unfortunately they didn't have a bigger one, so I had to settle for a smaller one. So I'll be reviewing this product in terms of brand, packaging, ingredients, and what makes this face oil so special. So if you want to learn, keep on watching. You who are new to my channel, my name is Anna. I am a cosmetic nurse. I make videos about skincare, health and fitness, and if you want to know my tips, subscribe right here and press on that bell icon so you will never miss out on another video. So little bit about the brand. Brand Kora Organics is owned by ex-Victoria's Secret model Miranda Kerr. Miranda Kerr is well known for using very natural and plant-based ingredients in all her skincare products. And her skincare products are cruelty-free, not tested on any animals. Instead, Miranda Kerr tests all the skincare products on herself. So little bit about the packaging. This Noni Glow face oil comes in this glass bottle, teeny tiny bottle, easy to store. Because it's a glass bottle, you can easily recycle it. It comes with this dropper, so very easy to dispense, and you're not gonna waste any product while trying to take the product out of this bottle. So yeah, I am quite impressed with the packaging, and it looks really beautiful as well. Then comes the ingredients, most important part of any skincare products because ingredients never lie. So this Noni Glow face oil contains rose hip oil, sea buckthorn oil, pomegranate seed oil and noni fruit extract. Noni fruit extract is found in majority of the Kora Organics skincare products. With the rose hip oil. Rose hip oil is rich in antioxidants. It has also got fatty acids, omega-3 and omega-6. Fatty acids are really important in strengthening our skin's natural barrier system to protect our skin against the environmental damages like UV rays. Rose hip oil also has got vitamin A and vitamin C, which makes our skin glowing and which gives the skin natural exfoliation. It also increases the collagen production, because for the collagen production our body needs vitamin C, and rose hip oil is rich in vitamin C. Rose hip oil also has got anti-inflammatory properties, really good for the sun damaged skin, and it is good for all skin types. Buckthorn oil. Sea buckthorn oil is also rich in antioxidants. It promotes our skin's hydration levels. It repairs dry and damaged skin. Sea buckthorn oil is very well known for reducing the appearance of scars, and it also reduces the appearance of wrinkles. Sea buckthorn oil also has got anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to reduce the redness and swelling on the skin associated with certain disease conditions like eczema, psoriasis and rosacea. Then comes pomegranate seed oil. Pomegranate seed oil is rich in omega-5 fatty acids, which in turn strengthens our skin's natural barrier system. Pomegranate seed oil has got anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties. Pomegranate seed oil is also really good in the treatment of acne because it helps to unclog that clogged pores. And pomegranate seed oil is also well known for hair growth. As I mentioned, mentioned earlier, Noni fruit extract is found in majority of the Kora Organics skincare products. Why Kora Organics likes to use Noni fruit extract in their skincare products? Because of its health benefits. It is rich in antioxidants. Noni fruit extract is like a mango-sized fruits. It's quite bitter in taste, so don't try eating it. So Noni fruit extract is rich in antioxidant and it's also rich in vitamin C. Because it is rich in vitamin C, it provides that natural exfoliation to the skin and it brightens your skin, because vitamin C is well known to provide that brightening effect to your skin. Now let's discuss what makes this product so special. So first of all, the packaging. Glass bottle, really easy to recycle, comes with the dropper, really easy to dispense. It's quite a lightweight formula, absorbs easily into your skin and does not leave that sticky feeling. One thing I would like to say is it takes a little bit of time to soak into the oil, so don't be surprised if it is not absorbing straight away into your skin. So I will show you how it feels on the skin. So you dispense a little bit on your skin and see. Quite a lightweight formula, absorbs into the skin, but it takes few minutes before it fully soaks into your skin. And it has got very pleasant and very light fruity smell. And because it has got vitamin A and vitamin C, which has got natural exfoliating properties, it's gonna give you that natural exfoliation and which is gonna brighten your skin, which is gonna make your skin soft, which is gonna help the production of new skin cells, and it's also gonna help in the production of new collagen, because vitamin C stimulates the production of new collagen. So overall, really good product. I have loved using this product and I highly recommend this product. If you have got really oily skin and you suffer from acne, then I would say just go easy on this oil. Probably I would say use it once or twice a week and see how you feel. So really good face oil. As the name states, Noni Glow, it's definitely gonna give you that glow you are after because of vitamin C and vitamin A. Very good natural exfoliants, gonna make your skin soft, gonna make your skin fresh, and you're gonna make your skin glowing. And when it comes to the cost, I have got this 10 mils of packaging and it costs around $32 here in Australia, but if you buy 30 mils of packaging, that's I think $83 here in Australia. Quite an affordable product in my opinion, and really good results. As the name say, glowing oil, it's definitely gonna give you that glow. So yeah, so that's all about today's video. If you have enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me thumbs up. Please give your opinion in the comment section. Your opinion is really important for me to improve my videos, and subscribe to my channel, and I should see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.